Can you see? Look at how lovely that is. With the gherkin in the background again. There it is. It is way too early. I haven't got the microphones in or anything, but we'll do that later. I tried it on the train. It's way too early. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning. We've just ventured out from our hotel to find breakfast. We've got somewhere in mind. It's called Duck and Waffle. I personally don't want duck for breakfast, but I'm down for the waffles. I don't think I can. Look how quickly it moves. Oh, I was not prepared for that. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, right, okay, that was, Jesus Louise. I know I'm not going to fall, but it was making me want to say bad words. This is not doing good things for me. Not doing good things for me. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do here. Is that St. Paul's Cathedral? And the Thames? Okay, right. Was not prepared for this. 40th floor outside glass lift or elevator. Oh, look at that. Oh, and they move quickly. And yeah, incredible. If you're not me, then you got a great view. I don't know how I'm getting down. It's quite the view up here. However, they are fully booked until 4 p.m, which means we've got to get back down to ground level. Why couldn't they have told us that on the ground floor? I'm going to see if the line will hold my phone to take some footage on the way down while I close my eyes, clench my teeth and my butt cheeks. Or is it this one? Right, can you...
Yeah.
The ground floor, yeah?
Yeah, you press 0.
Okay, I'm holding on. Holding on. Please. Oh, it's unpleasant. It's slower going down, isn't it? No? Okay, well I've got my eyes closed, so I don't know what's going on.
I made my ears pop.
It's making my ears pop. Okay, I'm gonna look. Oh, it's incredible. Oh, I feel very much like the whale in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy.
How do you do it?
Panicking.
Shall we go up again?
No, I do not. I do not.
Nothing available?
Thank you, no, thank you. Oh, back at ground level. Hold me, hold me.
That's the lift, those red lights flashing.
The red lights flashing is the lift. Oh, there's a lift going up. We were just in that. Floor 40. Absolutely bonkers. I love these little bits. Like almost like little nooks and crannies. Nooks and crannies.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cold, isn't it?
It's okay. Please use the other doors.
Please use the other doors.
It's interesting, isn't it? Bathhouse?
Bathhouse?
Victorian bathhouse.
So focused on getting food in my tummy, I didn't even notice. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, that's supremely gorgeous. Look at the little bit on top. Let's put it against the sky so you can see it. And then all of this stuff built up around it. Crazy. Say that again?
There's a McDonald's around the corner.
They don't open till 11, so starting to get hangry. That really is very beautiful. I don't know what we're going to do. We're just going to keep wandering around. Yeah. Send help. Send food. And my eyes watering now with the cold. Look at what we found, Meredith. It's Duck Depot. Look at all these ducks. Look at them. There's a Stay Puft Duck. marvellous. Okay, we think we found somewhere. Eastway Brasserie. It's a pretty building. Look at that, very pretty. Recording audio through USB mic. Look at that! Amazing! We have finally got some coffee. The lion's having his vanilla latte, but the vanilla syrup comes in a little shot glass. Tempting. Very tempting. Is that... You're not putting the lot in?
I don't think so. I don't. No, I build up to it, right?
Build up to it.
Yeah, let's see how it is.
Okay, I'm interested. I've got a cappuccino. We've ordered a la carte, so we'll see what that's like. Are you putting the rest in? Yeah, I knew you would.
It's a deceiving shot glass. It's not that deep.
There's a lot of glass in that shot glass.
A lot of glass.
Oh, I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to this coffee. It's 9:45. I haven't got the microphones in at the moment, but you had the 3 egg omelettes.
Good.
I went for the full English, and they weren't kidding. It's full. It's pretty full. So the race is on. I threw some bacon and half a sausage at the lion, but it still beat me. I think I did all right though. Look at that. Set up for the day. Set up for a day of shopping. Although there isn't a full-length mirror, I thought I would share my outfit of the day. I went all black again. This time, sort of same trousers and boots, but this time I'm wearing a little pink under vest top type thing and my black cashmere cardi thing to stay nice and warm in this freezing cold weather. They're mini shag cakes. The tubes were absolutely schnackered. I probably should have my microphone in for this. The tubes were absolutely schnackered, so we got a cab. But we're at Selfridges, and we found some really interesting looking cakes. But that's not what we're here for. I don't know what's going to happen with the background songs because that's a definite copyright strike. But we're hunting for Prada. We're hunting for Prada after watching Mary Lumi Level Up and the lipstick set. Let's see if we can find it. So she said that it was a Christmas thing. They don't have it in store anymore. I wonder if I might be able to find it online somewhere though. The search is on, but you know, as we're here, we might as well go in and have a look at the accessories hall.
What?
See what we can see.
That was never agreed.
So I'm very glad that I've got the USB mic because as we were walking through the beauty department, I do like this leopard print. As we were walking through the beauty department, a security lady, well, not a security lady, but a lady jumped out at me and said there's no filming in the store. You can only film when the store is empty. And I was thinking, that's not right, because I've filmed in here so many times. But yeah, apparently, got a massive bollocking, got a massive telling off. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get in here today. But
You are?
in the Selfridges bit. So you've just been muttering to yourself, because if you get it, it was picked up on the mic. But we're in the Selfridges bit, and look at this jumbo flap, 6,840. So I don't know what I'm going to be able to capture today, if they're hot on the heels of all things video. What do we think to this? I really like the asymmetric design of it. Okay, if you liked that,
I do like the monogram.
in monogram, what do you think of it in this silver?
But from the sizes, like prefer the
I've got something
I think
that
so,
would
yeah.
go very
I like-
nicely with this.
I like the hardware.
Which I haven't shown you
prefer
yet,
the
which I need to show
hardware
you.
on the smaller
Look
one.
at that.
I like
in
the
the
chain.
light.
I like that chunkiness, but the bigger bag, it's definitely got more versatility.
And it actually goes really nicely with the pink. The new season colours are really lovely and soft. Look at this pink and this green. Whoops. Uh-oh. Broken it. Really, really gorgeous colours. Very complimentary as well. But this is fun. Look at this. It's like a sweater. And there's a shirt version up here in the window. Really gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. And then look, we've got the hearts in the weave, which they've got on the mini Jodie up there. How utterly, utterly adorable is that? I love it. It's the Fendi Fragment pop-up. There he is. So you've got some of the new pieces. You've got the little side trunk PM up there, and then the new colour down here. Although I really don't understand why there's a black strap on it. It kind of looks really out of place. The PM looks really, really cute. Really, really cute. The Coussin there. And the Matisse East-West in the new colourway. Again with a really out of place black strap. And the Boulogne, I keep going back to look at that one, but oh look! There's the Amelia Rose version of my papillon trunk. And the little loop. And the lion. Did you see anything you liked? You went for a little wander.
Yeah.
Anything stand out?
I like the luggage, but
Yeah, the luggage is what always gets me. Oh, there's some more of the denim. Got the bum bag, papillon. I did manage to get. Oh, okay, sorry. Got massively told off in Louis Vuitton as well for filming, so I had to ditch that, and then we decided it was time to move on. But this is the pop-up for Pharrell's first collection. So we've got some of the camouflage damier, which I really like. The lion, not so impressed by it. It was the full suit, wasn't it?
Minecraft.
It is a little bit Minecraft. I think people are
That's
referring
basically
to
what
it.
he's stolen it from. He's stolen it from Minecraft.
He's stolen it from Minecraft. I think a lot of people are referring to it as Minecraft, but yeah, so I didn't feel hugely welcome in Selfridges today, although the guy at, oh, look at them in their suits. Oh, they look really cute, but yeah, it does look a bit Minecraft. Louis Vuitton LV lovers. So a couple of nice things. Fendi gave me some flowers. We just had a little look at the Pokemon Year of the Dragon collection. There's a bit more of the collection with the primary colours. Yeah, so Fendi gave me some little flowers, which was really lovely, very nice. We had a trainee at Gucci, and he was really, really helpful and lovely. And who else was really lovely? Someone was really lovely, weren't they?
Bottega.
Bottega, yes. I don't know what's happened, but we seem to have ended up on Bond Street.
Isn't that weird?
Oopsie. Oh, well now the microphone's dealing with that wind.
I imagine it's not.
It's we'll find out in the edit, kids. We'll find out in the edit. There's quite a lot of Louis. We've got all of the primary colours up here for Pharrell's collection. Back in the cab on Bond Street. Might pick something up from Nordstrom.
Oh, they've still got crystal in here.
Yeah, they didn't have it in Selfridges, but
No.
we're back in Harrods. And that's
Did we ever leave?
did we ever leave?
I don't think we ever
I
left.
don't think we should ever leave.
Don't
Why are you
you?
looking at me like that?
I'm not looking at you.
You're looking at me weird. Yeah.
I don't
Oh,
think we ever left.
I've left my flowers in the loo.
Oh.
Oh, I left my Fendi flowers in the loo. But see, I had to rest them on the thing and everything else is on the back of the door. That's the only thing I've left in there, isn't it?
Well, you got your lunch on. Got your
Got my
handbag.
bag, yeah. Got my scarf and my coat. Whoops. Okay, right, we're back in Harrods. I didn't think it would happen again so soon, but we're here. But we are not necessarily looking at Fendi in here, or Prada, even though I'd like to. We are going over to Nordstrom pop-up. Hurrah! Well, we're on the train home. I think we've had a successful day. Had my eyes open to a few things. Tried a few things on. Didn't capture everything on film because got told off a lot. I'm sorry, madam, there's no filming in here. Oh, sorry. Run away. It's been a fun, exciting couple of days, especially because it was kind of off the cuff that we were going to do this. But I've got a couple of things to share with you, unboxing-wise. Very, very, very exciting. These microphones lasted really, really well. We were wearing them all day, even though we didn't film all day. They lasted really well. Fingers crossed the edit comes out okay.